In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Framer. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow you can use every time you want to bring clean, scalable icons into your Framer designs. Even though the process is short, I'll explain what each step does and share a few tips so you understand why it works and how to get the best results. First, open your Framer project and create a basic shape. This could be a frame, a button background, or any element where you want the icon to appear. For example, you might draw a square or a rounded rectangle that will serve as a button. Make sure the shape is selected so Framer knows where to place the content you'll paste in later. Think of this shape as your icon container. It helps keep everything aligned and makes it easier to adjust spacing, padding, and layout across your design. Next, open your web browser and go to the Iconwa website. Iconwa is a large open source icon library that provides icons in SVG format, which is perfect for Framer because SVGs are vector-based. That means they stay sharp at any size and are easy to customize. Browse or search for the icon you want to use, like a home icon, a search icon, or a settings gear. When you've found the one you like, look for the option that says Copy SVG and click it. This copies the SVG code for that icon directly to your clipboard, so there's no need to download any files. Now, go back to Framer. With your shape or desired element selected, simply paste. You can do this using your usual paste shortcut. Framer will interpret the SVG code and insert the icon into your design. You should now see the icon appear either inside the shape you prepared or as its own vector layer, depending on how your layout is set up. From here, you can resize the icon, change its color, or adjust its position to fit perfectly within your component or layout. Because it's an SVG, scaling it up or down will not affect its quality. If you want a consistent icon style across your project, repeat this same process for all the icons you need, using Iconwa as your source. And that's it. By creating a shape in Framer, copying an SVG from Iconwa, and pasting it directly into your project, you can quickly add clean, professional